Have you experienced an upstate New York winter? We've had a few monster storms over the years, so here are the top 5.
Coming in at number 5, a January 1983 nor'easter walloped the region, dumping 24.5 inches of snow in Albany. Number 4, the mid-December blizzard of 1915 blanketed the region, leaving 24.7 inches. Number 3, it was a white Christmas for sure in 1969. A December 25th storm dropped 26.4 inches on the region. Number 2, it was called the Storm of the Century. This mid-March 1993 snowstorm walloped the eastern seaboard, 26.6 inches of snow. And number 1, a massive 4-day blizzard in March of 1888. It dropped 46.7 inches of snow.
Check out timesunion.com to read more about these epic snowstorms.